Every year, monarch butterflies make an incredible journey to Mexico, all the way from right here in Ohio. But they don't just go to Mexico from Ohio, though. Butterflies from all over the United States and Canada make that 1,000-mile journey. Your kit contains tools like a net, a pop-up bug container, and a monarch tag to help you take part in a citizen science project called Monarch Watch Tagging Program. Through this citizen science project, you will be assisting researchers by catching and tagging a monarch of your own. The tag is essentially a sticker that you will place on the monarch's wing. Your kit will contain an information sheet to help you with this process. This tag marks the monarch so that when it gets to Mexico, if it is caught again, then the tag can be examined and researchers will be able to know where that butterfly came from. However, this only works if you record the necessary information about your butterfly and the tag number and then enter it online at Monarch Watch database. Again, instructions on this will be included in your kit. Also, keep in mind that due to where we are located in the United States, the peak migration time, and thus the best time to tag monarchs here in Ohio, is between September 14th and 26th.